Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remove Kia Optima door handle, easy method. Start by lowering the window and disconnecting the battery to prevent short circuits. Remove the interior door panel clips carefully and store them in a small container. Use a trim tool to expose the handle bolts and disconnect the latch cable gently. Keep bolts organized and test the mechanism after reassembly to confirm smooth operation. Gather the tools before starting so the job flows smoothly and safely. Use a 10 mm socket for handle bolts and a Phillips for panel screws. A plastic trim tool prevents scratching the door panel when removing clips. Keep a magnetic tray or small container handy to collect bolts, clips, and the latch spring. Wear gloves to improve grip and protect finishes while maneuvering around the door cavity. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making useful DIY guides. Quick recommendation. Bento box make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers. They seal tight, stack neatly, and prevent spills in your garage or after a long job. They double as great parts organizers when you need to separate screws and clips. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Begin by lowering the window about 1 inch to clear the handle area and remove screws from the inner trim. Pop off the panel clips with a trim tool and peel back the vapor barrier slowly. Reach inside to unhook the latch cable and remove the bolts holding the exterior handle. Slide the handle outward and inspect the gasket and linkage for wear before installing the replacement part.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.